I'm gonna go to my Snip feed and I'm gonna add my new affiliate link to my Snip feed, okay? Snip feed is kind of like one of those other things that you can have within your shit, you know. You can have it for your link in the bios, okay? And, oh shit, I didn't even know I made money. Okay, cool. How did that happen? Oh yeah, because people are buying those things. That's right, see? It's a good thing to have. Alright, so we're gonna go to my page real quick. This is my page. These are my thingy thingies, right? So I'm gonna add a new section. I'm gonna monetize. Oh, wait a minute. Did they change stuff? I just want to do... No. I just want to do what I've already done here. I just want to block. A simple yes. Here we go. Simple block, okay? And I'm gonna put my new affiliate link right there. Oop, I'm gonna say, road trip mushroom. Okay, description. Dishes. Religiously fun. 21 plus. Okay, so you could do text only, circle only, square, featured. I'll do a featured one and I'll upload a little picture, boop, right here, and say done. And then, we'll do that. That's perfect. Okay, boom. And then it's gonna be up in my linky links, and we can have it bounce. We can have it do all types of stuff, right? Okay, it's already been updated, so I'm gonna go back here, and it's at the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna take it up, because I'm talking about it today. We want people to be able to see it when they get there. I get 25% commission anytime somebody purchases that through that link. Same with like my CBD ones that I have with Jupiter. So I could add another one of those, and I can even you know, add whatever you want. So like, I'm gonna get rid of that because that's over. Yes, delete that. These are my channels. People can tip me. This is my Alcyon Light Healing stuff. This is my Moon Key Right stuff. My star rates, my wormwood combination that helped me to get better. And yeah, you know, so we can preview it. This is what it looks like. You can edit all of that stuff too. You know, if you want a more in-depth thing, let me know. But yeah, this is what these things are good for. Okay? So we close the preview, and this thing, I'm going to copy that, and I have that everywhere. In my TikTok ones.
The idea of one of the strong...
Here is my little buddy. Yep, see right there. So when people come here and they click on that, I mean this, boop, they're going to go see me. And you're going to see my road trip gummies. Awesome. So when I, which one do we want to share? We'll share this one from earlier. Boopity bop. I'm so excited. And I'm going to say, link in my bio. Link in bio. Boop, boom. Boopity boop, boop, boop. Story. And then I could do the other one. Upload, hello. This is when I was driving home down. Boopity bop. And say, link in my bio. Bio. Boopity boop. Boopity boop. Boopity beep. Don't know if they have their, I don't know if they have, I don't use this that often, but I think people can comment. So, should I take, I'll say, should I take another one? Oh wait, what are their stickers? What are their stickers? They have stickers? Alright, so should I take second? Alright, boom. Beep boop. Okay, there we go. That's as simple as that. Now, you're over in my Instagram. It's also there, okay? So, when you edit your profile, you can have up to 5 links on your profile. And they're right here. Links. Boop, right? I want my, if I want to edit them around, reorder the links. This is my Snip feed, boppity boop, right? You can even edit, like, what it says. Links. And activations and more. Boop. And so then there's my Etsy shop, there's my Spirit, the new YouTube, which I should add to my, what do you call it? Copy that, and we'll also copy that, okay? These are things that I should be doing all the time, but, you know, here we are. Maybe I need to take mushrooms all the time. So, we're going to do a new section. We're going to do a block. gonna do a URL block, add that, boopity bop. Again, SnipFeed is free. It's not free in the sense of like, if somebody buys something through it, they get a percentage of it, but that's the same for anything. But it's a free app. You don't have to pay to use it, okay? So, boop, new channel, thing, close. I'm gonna do 5, purpose. Backend, teachings, how to do, oh boy. Okay, appearance, we can do, we're gonna do a circle. And let's see what they got in the Unsplash. I'm on top of the world. We'll do a flower. We'll do a flower. And we'll boop down the flower. There we go. Yep. Hit the little that little arrow thingy, or the whatever the hell that is. A check. Hit the check. And then let's see. We'll go back. We'll take a peekity peek. If you want to look at your thing, you hit preview. Okay. And it's, oh yeah, it's all the way down at the bottom. Boop, spiritual business mentor. Okay, so what I want to do is close the preview, go all the way down here, and say, no, we don't want that at the bottom. We want that at the top, because that's a new thing we're trying to do here. Alright, so there's my road trip mushrooms, my Etsy shop. What the heck is that? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Alright, we'll put that down at the bottom, because I'm not really using that. It's not like, you know, it's not current. Those are my YouTubes, that's my tipping. Okay, alright, there we go. Preview. Sorry about that. Spirit happy. I'm gonna hit SnipFeed. Okay, 48% up. Awesome sauce. Okay, and like I said, it's pretty easy to use. If you haven't already done it, you just come in. You know, you can have a store. You can. It's really simple, guys. If you want me to like sit down and show you like boom 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 boom, comment and let me know. Don't be afraid to tell me that you need me to do things specifically for you. If you want to add digital products, it's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. But if you already have another one, use the other ones. But just get on your shit, man. And you know, you can sign up to be an affiliate for so many places, okay? I'm an affiliate with Amazon. That's why I got the Horrible Combination up on there. I'm an affiliate with the Road Trip Gummies. I'm an affiliate with oh yeah, I was gonna do that, right? I'm gonna make another block. I'm gonna add that. And see all those things you can do? Do you see all those things you can do? So let me go over here real quick. Content. Boppity beep. Boopity boop. All the greens are some sauce. Beep 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 beep. Where is my CBD? Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna do this. And I click copy. And I'm gonna go over here because I made one of these with this too. Right? So I'm going over here and I'm giving you this and I'm going to click it in. Now where is that thing? We delete that. We move over and we get that rid of 2 and we hit this off and I'm going to make sure that is right and I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to say this in the thing and I'm going to take out you. We get rid of that and that. Jupiter stress relief. Divine save 20%. Okay, so I'm just going to do that myself. Divine save 20%. And we're gonna go back and we're gonna see what Unsplash has today for CBD oil. Ooh, hey, hey, hey. I said a hip hop a day. I guess this is good. What would you say? I'll do that because it's true and I like it a lot. And I'll hit this and then I'm done and we move along. We come out of here now and we go to the bottom because we know that that is where it went, and we bring it up to the top because this is where we want it to be with the other thing that I sing along. The road trip Jupiter. Hey 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 hey, everybody come along, let's have some fun. Let's preview like ooh ooh boopity boop boo abity bop boppity boppity badoo boppity badoo. I am so sorry that oh, thank you, Ruben. I didn't even know you did that. Thank you, Taylor. Also, you guys are awesome sauce. I'm thankful for you all. My brain is so silly sometimes, but don't you agree that this is fun? Okay, bye bye bye.